Hello, I'm going to show you how I use my portable camping stove with the 2 burners on there. I only ever really use one, but I smoke meats in here, and I do it a little differently than what most people would. And so I have a cast iron Dutch oven in there. I'm going to be smoking salmon today, and the salmon is actually marinating right now in a salt brine. And I put I've already soaked my, I'm using alder, smoked my alder wood chips. So they're already wrapped up in there, ready to go. I'm using alder with salmon because it's not overpowering. And then I have my propane hooked up there. And what I do is I put this in there, and I can put a layer of salmon there. And I used a steamer and just kind of adapted it for that. So I have 2 layers that I can put meat on. Then I have a nice heavy raised lid. And it usually only takes about less than a half an hour for me to smoke the meat once the smoke is going really good in there. But this thing turns on very easily. It's already going. I put it on a really low heat. I'm going to let that warm up. Once it does, I'll be able to smoke my meat. Very dependable, very trustworthy. Set it, it doesn't change the setting from where I put it. And if I need a second burner, it's right there. The very nice unit, folds up nice and compactly. It comes with a little griddle, and all you need to do, it comes with the assembly here, the adapter, the hose adapter. So all you need to do is just provide your own little propane bottle, and you're ready to go. I'm going to have smoked salmon here in less than a half an hour.
That's awesome.